if you're like me, there's a couple stores that you just love going to. So the other day, my son came up to me and he was like, hey, Papa, let's go fishing. So I was like, all right, I know the perfect place that we can go get some bait, we can get some lures, maybe get an extra fishing rod, you know? You always gotta have that extra fishing rod. I'm like his custom apparel decorator. So I was thinking, what can I make him with this store? It's an eye catcher, you know what it is, but you don't know what it is until you see what it is. You know what I'm saying? So I came up with this design right here.
Wow.
So right here we have the Bass Pro Shop, which is a very iconic image. And so I ended up making a little koi fish, but this one is gonna be Bass Pro Sushi, which is another thing that I love. You know, hey, you gotta eat. I figured I'm gonna make him a cap with the Luminaris 200 white toner transfer printer with sublimation capabilities with this design that people are gonna have to do a double take when they look at it. And on this episode, I'm gonna show you how I did it from A to Z. All right, so now that I have this design, I'm gonna take it to Rob. And you know, Rob is a great illustrator. And if you don't have your own Rob, you can always go online, get some ideas. There are so many different websites that can help you come up with an idea. You know, some of the challenges that I faced was, how do I preserve the integrity of the design where I keep it looking like the logo, but I just put enough twist on it, but you still get the flavor. We went to a sushi place after, and I was like, you know what? That would make it that much better. I took the bass out and put a koi fish and gave it that Japanese thing, and so that's how I came up with the design. So it still maintained the integrity, the look, to make you go, what was that? I got the image from Rob, and we're gonna open it up in VividRip. So I'm gonna go plus, and I'm gonna go to my downloaded folder, and there it is. So there's the image. And I don't want it to be that big. I want it to be approximately, let's say I wanna do the height, because it's going on the hat. So let's call it 2.5 inches on the hat. That looks pretty good. And let's set it up right here. So the 2.5 inches is for the entire box, but the actual image itself is a little bit smaller. So I really want the image to be 2.5. So if I put it up right up to the edge, I can see here where my mouse is that it's right just under 2 1/8. So let me just make this just a little bit bigger. It'll keep this orientation, but I want this edge to be right at 2 1/2, just so I can maximize the size of the hat. And right there, we're right at 2 1/2, and this is perfect. Now there is a white background on this, but since I'm putting it on a white cap, I don't need to keep that white, so I can remove it. So I'm gonna go to File, or go to my Tool section, Knockout Color, and I'm just gonna click on the white, and it removes all the background, and I'm left with this, which is perfect. That's all I need. And I click OK. So here I'm gonna go to Copies. Oh, and look at that, these two fit on there. And let me just make a couple, because I might as well take advantage of all that space on the paper. So I can do three rows comfortably, and I'm gonna click OK. So there we go, and I can just move this over just a little bit. That's perfect right there. And I'm done. Now I just have to mirror this, and I'm gonna right click and print. And that's it, super easy. All right, we're locked and loaded. Now, I have my little piece right here. I'm gonna pre-curl it just a little bit, just so that it lays down nice and flat on the head. See that? It's nice and flat. If I use a regular piece, notice how it's not flat and it may move. So if you don't wanna use tape and stuff like that, you can just do it like this, and it's gonna stay perfect. And I'm using the center line to line everything up. That's perfect right there. Here comes my Teflon sheet. And here we go, 50 seconds, 385 degrees. While we're waiting for this, I highly urge you to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Look at that. Man, who's getting hungry? I'm getting hungry over here. I want to go get me some sushi. All right, guys, and that's how we're gonna do it. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. Let's get to the 2025 with a lot of creativity. As you can see, these hats are great. They look fantastic. You could sell them. You can do whatever you want with them. Give them to all your friends. The Luminaris 200 DTF white toner transfer printer with sublimation capabilities is out of control. You can do so many different things. I want to thank everybody for the great last year, and let's hit the year running and let's go crazy, man. Let's have some fun. Unleash your creativity. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when we're creating the next great content. See you guys on the next one. You know, I have an emergency that I have to go fishing. I'll get one of these. Keep it in my car. Because you never know, you might break down on the side of the highway, and the only food that you're gonna get is like on that canal, so you might have to go fishing, and this is the perfect little thing to carry with you all the time. You know, and it's like super portable, easy to carry around. One seems a little malnourished. That's a bonefish because the tail and the two dorsal fins kind of look like three tails. That's a hefty fish, a lot of meat on it. Don't want to leave that here.